Alrighty, so compared to yesterday, I was working on this at work, and I was able to fix the cycle. It turned out it was two things. One, I was using the end pointer wrong because I was just creating end pointer, not whatever. But the second thing is all the way deep down in the untracked file, which is like I go from main and then I go to the hash map and then the hash table and then untracked files. That point I was forgetting to check for null. So we are good. Actually, I could show this. So now if I launch OBS, throw that over here, and then type something, it will update properly. And also we can see that like it's saying that it's not a Git repository, but that I don't segfault if I type something in here. So if I do type something, projects, I'm curious what it'll do. Projects v lib, I think, is not a Git repository. Ooh, I have that right too. Okay, let me see what's actually called. Projects. Oh, it is typed right. So that is not checking correctly. Projects blib dot git. Interesting. Okay. So let me see what's on the to-do list, because I might have something important before that. Let's put this up in each part. So we're in the process of creating the handlers, and then when calling the update function for the source, when getting repos, you must delete the strings. Yep, did that. So let's get, oops. Oh my gosh, it's over here. And then this is like that. We interface with both or one of these handlers depending on what setting to use. Yeah, these are just like general notes. So I got this down. Example, if the user does not, yep. Then we can go W, G, I wonder if I use $sign, well, which one's $sign? That one's $sign. It just takes me to the same place, G underscore would. So I should use $sign instead. Reorder the properties and figure out a way to do pop-ups. Ensure or get the updated text working properly. So within this, we need to say that the Git repos need to be accurately found and determined. No, they just need to be accurately found, and then updates need to happen after this. And then up here, ideally, the user would be notified if the repo is not repo is not valid. There we go. Okay, so real quick, let's see if there's an easy way to try to figure out if we can reorder the properties. Alright, so let's head over to the documentation, OBS Studio plugin documentation. So what is it? OBS properties removed by name. OBS properties. creates a new properties object with specific data parameter. That's not what I want. Destroy set flags. Sets custom associated or custom data associated. Applies settings to the property by calling. Add list as an integer. This will be box. List clear. Word wrap. String. Insert. Yep. Property enumeration functions. The first property is in the properties object. Next. Adds a list in which user can insert, add, insert, remove items, and achieved. Add properties, add path, text. Wait a minute. Is add list properties the name, the description? No, that's not what I'm looking for. Apply settings to the properties like calling all the necessary callbacks. OBS properties get parameter. Okay, can I come over here? Yes, Studio, GitHub. So what I'm curious about is if I can see the structure that is OBS properties. Properties. So I'm looking for OBS properties. So I have flags, groups. When we create it, we create that, okay. Set parameters, set by flags. So when we add something, oops. struct list data. Get list data. Mm, formats. Yeah, format. Because we can't add a property. Create, destroy, set flags. Yeah. Int float, slider, text, path, list. Nope, group isn't it either. Content, yeah. Get the property name, the description. Type. Nah, because I really don't want to manage this myself. Okay, let's leave that on the back burner for now. Let's go ahead and get this Git repository thing working. Let's see if it works with absolute paths. Oh, it is a good repository. Okay. But I replaced this with... Why is it moving now? Oh, wait a minute. Oops. Damn, I fucked up. Come on, close already. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is fine. And the output we're getting is literally nothing. So what I'm gonna do is let's disable this because, oops, no, it is. Yeah, here it is. 10 down. And then let's, every time we tick it, I want to see, actually, let's make sure we get something. If get diff. Yeah, okay, we do get something. So what I want to do, okay, let's get rid of this stuff because I really shouldn't have done that, to be honest. Actually, we can keep this. Let's just not keep. So for tick, let's get rid of this. We're down, delete. I think we're getting here. Oops. There we go. Build project. And then let's close this, OBS. Yep. Wait, what did I put there? Oh, yes. But that shouldn't be like that because, yeah, the track path should have something. Because it should have been here. Every time we take. Oh no, wait. I'm in the wrong place. So when we update the values, let's do this. But the question is, does it call updates when it first starts up if something's already in there? Because maybe that's why it's starting up the program, but yeah, it doesn't update it. But if I were to do this, oops, average feature size. Yeah, that's fine, but okay, it's still wrong. But if we do the absolute, does it work? What am I doing? Wrong. Invalid pointer. So if we edit it, okay. I'll figure that out later, but I need to figure out this problem first. Wait, what if I just do it in here? /b/. I think it's capital. Stats. Okay, so the absolute path works, but not the relative one, or the one with the little squiggly. Yeah, so let's fix that. That should be easy. So we need to expand into an absolute path, right? And I feel like this can go in support. Actually, we could cheat this a little bit and say, okay, let's hold another string in here that's going to be the home path. Wait, this can't be a const, right? Ooh, can that be static because I'm about to return it? So let's just make it like this. And then we're going to start like this. I wonder if there's a more efficient way, because what I'm thinking of doing is just running the home command thingy in another process, but I feel like there's a function for this already. So, okay, man, this, get an environment. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Because if we get an environment variable, the environment variable for home is just home, right? Or is it percents? I think it's percents. Home. Fuck. Term. Home. Oh, wait, no, it has to be echo home. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so if we want to get that, let's make, we return get home path, and then we're gonna input nothing, and then we're gonna say, okay, why don't we just, what do we pass into here? Because we could just return it. See, since this is just a simple function, and we're just getting a variable, I doubt it'll be expensive enough to warrant that. Secure, it's just like except that it returns null in cases where secure execution is required. It is required if one of the following conditions: the process's effective user ID does not match the real user ID. The effective capability file was sent. Process has a non-empty permitted. May also be required if triggered. Gen freeze for general purpose libraries to avoid vulnerabilities. Yeah, I'll just use that. So if secure get, oh wait, what were the parameters? We just do the name. So I'm looking for home, and then if that equals null, then we return, no wait, yeah, we return null, because that means we couldn't get it. And then else we return secure get and so do I still have my test file? Yes. So let's test this out, so I don't have to recompile every time. So let's just say printf %s, and then we're gonna say secure get environment, and then I want home. Projects get stats. We're gonna gcc test.c with all warnings. Oh, this has to be a string, doesn't it? What? Format expects argument of type, but argument 2. Really? Man, secure. Yeah, it returns a. Oh, am I not including the right thing? sys/types. Yeah, it doesn't tell me where. So I'm gonna assume it's uni standard maybe. moves. Try to recompile. Nope, not that one. Sys slash types. Delete in brackets. Awesome. Sys slash types h. Nope, not that one either. It wouldn't be PWD, would it? Okay, maybe this one doesn't exist. Oh no, it tells me that I need standard lib. Why don't I just try that? Okay, well, that didn't work either, but okay. Let's try each standard, but just get in. Standard lib. Cool. There we go. Okay. Wait, so I don't need this? Okay, awesome. So, that's what we're gonna use. So first of all, this needs to be a string, which means this also needs to be a string. And then we need to include standard lib.h. And then in support.h, I'm going to open this over here, support.h. We need string get home path. And we'll do that. Oh, wait, it's shift that. And then we're going to pragma once because I forgot. Then at that point, we need to say in the get diff interface where we, we check that. So our path needs to be okay. Ooh. I had something else I want to test. So say we have a string. Okay, I'm too late for this. String 100 equals some, or let's say, let's use the example I want, something, right? And then what if we just want to print it without that? Can we say string plus plus? Cannot increment value of. Okay, what if we, because I'm trying to move the pointer over once. Wait, undo. String plus one. Can I do that? Test. Oh. Test with the whole warnings. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. And if I print it after, it didn't mess up the string, right? Because I just added one rather than incrementing it. I don't know why I'm doing this. I could just copy this. I am so unbelievably smart. Okay, so when we check all the paths, when we have the formatted path, okay, before we do this, we want to say if buffer if buffer 0 equals okay, so we can say that. Then we want to expand home directory. Right? And then we're going to pass in buffer. Yes. So expand home directory is going to be a function that takes in, or expand home directory, that's going to take in a string and then what we're going to do is we're going to get the home directory. So do we have support? No. Include where are we at? We're in source right now. Yeah, so support .h. Why do I type this wrong every single time? And we're going to come back down here. Money sign. I didn't say that right. Which one is? Oh, there we go. So we're gonna say, let's just say something large. So expanded with 100 bytes equals get home path, right? And then once we have that, we're going to, oh my gosh, int home path size, home size equals the string length of expanded. We're gonna say oh right. Duh. This needs to be expanded equals Malik Fuck. Why can't I do that actually? Array type is not assignable. So what if we do string copy this and this? Easy. Anyway, so now that we expanded, I spelled this wrong. So now that we have that, we can say home size is the string length of that, yep. And then, oh, let me initialize this just in case. So now that we have the size of that, oh yeah, then we can say, okay, input equals malloc, the size of a character times the string length of input plus plus the string length of expanded plus 1. Now that we have that for our input hold equals, I don't know, like 1000 or something, equals can we wait, can we, it's already allocated stuff, so I think we could just say this. No, because then it'll point to the new memory. Oh wait, r times the string length of input, 1, right? Input hold to 0 equals this. Same with input. Right? And then string copy into input hold what is currently an input. And then now we can just say smprintf what we're putting into, which is input, the string length of input hold plus home size. Actually, yeah, I don't need this. Because I could just call it here string length of expanded plus 1, and then this will be %s, and then we'll just say expanded and input hold. And after this, those will be freed because they're just normal arrays, I think. So now that should return the right thing, hopefully. I'm just gonna hope it works for try. Okay, well, build. Oh, did I leave that in here? Oh, I did. This is just oh wait, down here too. Can you, like, oh, you can. I didn't know you could do that. Go over a certain amount. Okay. Yep. So now that we do this, so this is still not a repository, and it's not being expanded. Why aren't we expanding that? Did I not? This could be. So when we update, oh wow, I left a lot of shit down here. Yeah, I deleted too much. Right? No. Gotta leave that. And then, okay. Forgot where I was calling this. Update track files. Okay. So this is that tick. Let me just check this. I did set error node equal to 0, right? Yeah. So let me try to try to print out buffer. Make sure that we are processing that string correctly. No, it's not expanding. Okay, why aren't we expanding that string? This buffer does start with 0. Or it does start with a squiggly. We expand the home directory. Okay, let's first test that we're getting in here. Because I could just be doing that wrong. Oh wait, did that just go all the way to that? Oh. So if I add a space here, and go back, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's the last character. Anyway, that was kind of off track, but. It's not a care repository. Okay, so we are getting in here. What is the problem here? So let's see if it's just resetting it or something. Oh, wait, this should be %s input. Oh, I forgot to put this over here. Input. Holy shit. That's been like that the whole time. Oh my gosh. Um, okay, so the problem is we are not editing the actual string. Okay, so maybe I need a pointer to the string and not the string itself. So let's go down here and then make this a pointer to that, which means that every time I call input, this needs to be the value. Oh, wait, that means that this is wrong. This needs to be the address of it. Oh, is used uninitialized. Huh? Wait, what? 116. It's used uninitialized. Oh, I see. Yes. Okay, so yeah, how do we add that back there? Okay, so I fucked up somewhere here. Oh, I see. Input hold needs to be this +1 because I do not want the squiggly. So we get gets that. Boom. Okay, so we have that, and that is working correctly. But now, first of all, I need to get rid of this test stuff. It's kind of getting annoying. So this needs to go, and then do we get down here? This needs to go too. I kept that from the last time. All right. So let's close this. So after that, this update hash map, because we're not getting the correct value. Let's print, actually print hash map info data untracked. So yeah, the hash map is empty. And it crashed. Okay. Oh, wait. Is it? Is it even on the right thing? Oh, yeah, it is right. Okay. Yeah. Um. Okay, so that's gonna be a work problem. Actually, this. Yeah, I deleted the right thing. Actually, let's keep that just in case I forget. So this is properly being expanded into um, the full thing. And then, yeah, so I need to fix the value for the, or no, fix the untracked files not going into the hash map. All right, so that is good. Let me commit this because I actually did something. Git commit, and we fixed verification for Git repos. All right, cool.